Phone repair guy once again with some new content for you guys. Last month we had an A51 review and unboxing, and in this video we're going to show you guys the A71. A main thing that I've been getting requests from is the power off, how to power off the A71, and in this video you'll find out. If this is your first time, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go guys, this is the A71. Really awesome technology with the infinity screens, the manual instructions, your warranty card, and I love that they're providing TPU silicone case with the device, which you don't have to go out of your way to purchase one. Let's see what the A71 looks like. Let's see what it has inside. Here we have some regular headphones. Type-C, actually this charger, this USB is a C-type to C-type, which is basically what you guys are going to see very often with these new update devices coming out in 2020 and 2021, which is a C-type on both ends. The box fast lightning charger itself and your actual cord, so you could not worry about how to place it. You could either do it this way, charge it on the phone, or you could flip it and install it this way and charge it on the phone. The same goes to the device. The C-type, there's no specific ways on plugging it in. You could either do it this way, or you could flip the cable and turn it and do it this way. Alright guys, to sum this video up, I am going to introduce you guys how to power off the A71, and it's extremely straightforward, nothing out of this ordinary. You know, normally you used to press on the button, the power button, hold for 2 seconds, 3 seconds, then it'll show you the options. With the A70, because it do have the Bixby button as the power switch, which you press and hold the Bixby button, and it allows you to ask questions and go into details. Where's the nearest locations? If you have any questions that could go towards the Safari, it's just a faster access compared to what you would do searching into different applications or different websites to find something out. This is the way of powering off the A71. You would press and hold the volume down and the Bixby button, which are located on the right side of the device, and then you would get that option on powering and off the device. So press and hold, and there you go. Now you have the full options on powering off the device, and there's a new feature that they're adding on to these phones for safety purposes, the emergency mode, which we have it off right now, but you can always set it on as long as you have internet or not. I don't believe you need to have internet. As long as you press that button, it will dial 911, and it would actually send the location to the police department of where the phone is located.